Well guys, we have finally done it. AM.CO.za's YouTube video channel has just reached over 100,000 subscribers. And let me tell you, that's not in the entertainment section, nor is it in the international channel. And that is a massive achievement that we've done. We have got a few packages that YouTube has sent us. I'm so excited to get into them. So let's show you what we have received. Well guys, here's the first one that we've received. And as we're opening it here, this is our original award that most people see as they're getting through channels. And I must say, this looks really, really awesome. I never thought I'd see this day. In the amount of years that we've been doing this, this is something that really is an achievement. And as it stands here, achievement really does matter. And this is something really cool to have. Well guys, let's see what else we've got here. That's just one of the packages they've sent us. Let's have a look at the next one. We've got a lovely note over there. Oh, would you look at that? Another big play button. And this one is quite heavy as well. I honestly would assume this is made out of pure aluminium. And there we go, there's some printing on the back as well. There's the achievement matches, congratulations. This is very heavy and this is quite cool. Well, that's really cool. Let's put this one down and let's have a look at the next one. And it looks like we've got another display item here. And this looks like it's actually the certificate that we got in our box previously that has just reminded us on how we got to 100,000 subscribers. We're going to put this one down over here, and then I see they've sent us a letter. Now this letter says exactly what it says on that award over there, and we're going to read it to you. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are that you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. And indeed we do remember our 100,000th subscriber, and like we said in our previous video, we're giving away 10,000 Rand, and we're going to be doing that right now, so stand by. Well guys, this is where the fun begins. We've got a whole bunch of screenshots from you, and the screenshot has 100,000 in on the YouTube channel, as well as the subscribe button. Now we're going to take all those names that we've printed out, we're going to take them here, we're going to drop them in the box, I'm going to give them a good shake, and once we've done that, I'm going to hand this over to our lovely Tatum next to me, and she's going to pick out a name and give it back to me. So let's stop wasting time and let's do it. Thank you very much. Okay, and our winner is congratulations Anton, you are the winner of the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. And now all we need to do is give him a call right now, and we're going to go and do that. So we're actually going to give Anton a call right now and see if he's available, so we can let him know that he's actually won this prize. Hi Anton, I hope you're having a great day.
Yes, not too bad. Your side?
Oh, no, I'm having a good day, thank you. We're calling to let you know that you are the winner of the 100,000th giveaway, which is going to give you 10,000 Rand in cash. How do you say to that?
That's brilliant news. Are you serious?
No, I'm being dead serious, and that's all in cash. It's for you and it's yours.
Oh, man, that's brilliant news on a Friday afternoon. You can't ask for something better than that.
No, you can't. No, you can't. I almost wish it was me.
Thank you very much.
No, well, it's a pleasure. You're the one that participated, so you deserve it.
Thank you very much, man. I really do appreciate it. That's brilliant news, man.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's awesome. Then what I'm going to do is we're going to end the call here now, and then I'm going to get your details, and then we'll send you the money.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Protocol. That just made my day. Thank you very much.
No problem. Enjoy the weekend. Thanks. Cheers.
Thanks, man. Okay, bye.
So guys, we've called Anton and we've let him know that he's won that prize. And as you can hear, he was quite excited to get it. So I wanted to say thank you to all of our subscribers out there, all those that watch and like our videos. Again, without you guys, this wouldn't have been possible. And if you aren't subscribed, this is a big reason to subscribe, because prizes like this aren't something you want to miss.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.